Welcome to our mathematics lesson. In this lesson, we are going to delve deeper in what we learned previously. In the previous lessons, we learned that there's a relationship that exists between the sides and the angles of a triangle. And that relationship is based on what is called trigonometric functions. We have learned that there are 6 trigonometric functions, which are namely sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Applying one of these trigonometric functions to a given angle will yield what is called a trigonometric ratio. For example, applying a cosine to angle alpha yields a ratio of adjacent over hypotenuse. And the same will apply if you apply the sine function to the angle alpha. It will yield opposite over hypotenuse. The same will apply if you apply the trigonometric function tangent to angle alpha. It will yield a ratio of opposite over adjacent. Now these ratios are constant for a given angle regardless of the triangle size. Now this can be seen in this picture, that applying a function to a given angle would yield a ratio. So applying cosine to angle 60 will yield a ratio of half. In triangle PQR, the ratio would be 3 over 6, which is half. In triangle ABC, the ratio would be 5 over 10, which is equivalent to half. In a triangle KLM, the ratio would be 15 over 30, which is equivalent to half. Now let us look again more deeper. Using a calculator, let's apply cosine to 60 degrees, and that yields for us the equivalent fraction, which is half, which is what we got for the 3 triangles. And this can be applied in decimals also. If you get from your calculator a decimal answer, or you get fractions as I showed previously, it is still the same answer. Now let us look at another example. If we apply the sine to the angle 53, 130, 10235, that yields for us 0.8. If we put it to fractions, it gives us 4 divided by 5. The same can be done again to angle 30 degrees. The sine of angle 30 is given as half also. The cosine of angle 30 would yield to you root 3 over 2, which you learn as we go by. And this in decimal format, it can be given as 0.866 until you get to the last. The same can be applied to another angle, which is sine 65 degrees, and it will yield the decimal format. So these ratios will be helpful in the later lessons to be able to calculate the unknown sides. I thank you for attending this class, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Have a lovely day.